Introducing the ScholarOne Manuscripts Conversation Tool. The Conversation Tool allows for collaboration by the admin, EIC, and other editor roles based on configuration. This is a way to allow for conversations outside the normal workflow of a site. It can be used for board meetings or just when a second opinion is needed. Access to the Conversation Tool will be limited to admin and editorial role types. Each unique role within these two role types may have different permissions assigned. Users with Initiate and Close Reopen permissions will be able to initiate conversations, add or remove participants, close and reopen conversations, and create groups of participants. The Conversations tool will be available to these users on all manuscripts to which they have access. The Participate permission set allows users to participate in conversations they have been invited to join. They only see the Conversation tab on manuscripts where they have been invited to a conversation, and they will only see specific conversations they have been invited to join if there are multiple conversations on the manuscript. If a user has been given the None permission set, they are not eligible to participate in conversations and do not see the Conversation tab in any manuscript. This is the default permission set.
To create or access a conversation, you will open the Manuscript Details page and select the Conversations tab on the left. We have also added dashboard cues to show all manuscripts with active conversations and new posts. When you open the Conversations tool, you will have access to three tabs: Conversations, Conversation Management, and Participant Groups. Let's start by looking at participant groups. Participant groups can be created for common groups of editors who need to work together on a regular basis regarding submissions. Group members can be added or removed as needed. First, create the group and give it a name. Then, select members from the list of available participants. The group members display in the Membership List pane. Group members can be added or removed at any time. To create a conversation, you will use the Conversation Management tab. First, create and name the conversation, then select and add participants. You may add individual participants or use the groups you have created. Participants display in the Participants pane and may be added or removed from the conversation as appropriate. You may then send a notification email to inform participants they have been added to the conversation. You may lock a conversation from the Manage tab by clicking the Close button. Locking the conversation closes it to future posts, but allows participants to view the conversation. A closed conversation may be reopened if needed.
Posting to the conversation is easy. Simply select the conversation from the list, then type your post. Posts are displayed for all participants to view. The Conversation tool is a great way for editors and admins to communicate about a manuscript directly from within the submission. For additional information and instructions, please see the Conversation Tool guide on the editor and admin pages of Get Help Now.